everybody. I should say good morning. It's morning here. I actually slept and didn't open this. It came at like 8 o'clock last night. Normally, I can't wait, so I guess I'm growing up. I was actually able to wait till the next morning. And I've even had my coffee first, so I'm not talking crazy into my deep voice. I also wanted to show you something that came in from Panini yesterday. This was a redemption. Benny Snell Triple Relic Auto, numbered to $2.99. Thought that looked good. I didn't have to wait too crazy long for this. About 6 months maybe. Anyways, I like to show when my redemption stuff comes in. I actually got notified that 2 other things were coming, so I'll show you guys when they get here. My Stadium Club, this is Stadium Club Chrome. This is completely new and different. As you probably know, if you open baseball, Stadium Club Regular has had chrome inserted in it over the last couple of years. This is completely chrome. A little concerned about why my box is beat up and bulging. Hopefully there's no damage to the cards. It was packed well, so I'm assuming it looked like this when it went into the box. We do get 1 on-card auto. Anything else? How many packs do we have here? 14 packs, so it's a nice full box. Cool. Alright, let's do this. See what Stadium Club Chrome has to offer. I'm sure there's going to be some refractors, inserts. Oh yeah, that is... Oh, okay. Well, the good thing is, you know, chrome cards tend to, I guess it still is a little early, tend to hold up better than just regular paper. Thicker stock will help prevent damage. It goes a long way in helping prevent damage. First pack, 6 cards per pack, so they're not being stingy with the cards. That's nice. Looks good. Looks just like the chrome inserts. Jansen. There's Babe Ruth. Good looking Walker Buehler. Joey Gallo, and you can see it does say refractor, so there'll be no questions. Oh yeah, that looks good. Sweet. Mitch Garver. Really nice. And Castanera. Yeah, I suspected those refractors were going to look good, and they certainly do. Jack Mayfield rookie. Austin Meadows. Justin Smoke. I do see a production line on a couple of these. I don't know if you can catch it in this light. Let's see if I can get it. Maybe on another one, but anyways, there's a line that runs right there. Alright. Emperors of the Zone, Severino. That looks good too. They've refractored that. So that looks nice. Dylan Bundy. I don't know why that's turned backwards. Maybe it's a variation. Card number 303. Maybe there's a high number short print. I should have done my homework. I'll set it aside and look at it up. Let's see. Jalen Davis rookie. It's got to be, well, there doesn't have to be. There's probably a reason why it was turned backwards, like an insert or parallel. Alright, Paddock, Barry Larkin, Castanera. That is numbered to 25. Nice refractor autograph. Obviously not his rookie card any longer, but I like him, and that's really cool. And it's short numbered. Sweet. Garrett Stubbs refractor. And then this Roberto is turned backwards, so maybe that doesn't mean anything. But anyways, again, I'll look it up and see. That could be a variation. Soler is the last card. Wow, what's going on in here? Upton, Grandal, Wainwright, Christian Yelich refractor. Zach Collins, turned backwards. That is his rookie card. Surely I'm not getting that many variations. Mikolas, I started saying Moustakas. Eshelman rookie. Corbin, Yachty, Carrasco refractor, Alex Young, and Jason Hayward. Alex Young rookie. Trey Turner, Conha, there's Tatis Jr., Alonso, Beam Team, nice, Robbie Ray, and Cabrera. The only thing I'll say is that I think this is rather expensive. It was more expensive than the Allen and Ginter Chrome. So it'd be nice if they did have another autograph in it, but Woodruff, I guess it is what it is though. Aguilar, Dazo rookie. This is number 250? What is this? I don't see, I mean it just looks like the regular refractors. Maybe they're calling this silver? I don't know. Have to check that one out. Mike Minor and Seth Brown rookie. Ah! Flew right out of my hands. I've been good about not being butterfingers lately, but Logan Webb rookie, Matthew Boyd, Chapman, Ozuna refractor. Yeah, this looks just like the one numbered to 50, basically. Soraka and Nola. Well, that's cool. They have the Liberty Bell behind him, imposed in that. Can you see it? It's interesting. Wonder if that's a variation of some sort. Huh. Interesting. Definitely haven't noticed that on any other card. Keller, Kikuchi, Canseco, Beam Team Kershaw, Bregman, and Johnny Bench. What I'll do is I'll check through everything when this video is done. If I've got anything super rare, I'll come back and update. Calhoun, Doolittle, Conforto, Brosseau, and that is numbered to 25. So I'm definitely going to see what these are called. But that's two nice rookie parallels. There's Ohtani and Posada. Sano, O'Hearn, Clemente, nice. Villar refractor, Justin Dunn, and Dobnak rookie. I just realized I haven't pulled any of the bigger rookies. That's not good. No Gavin Lux. Oh, no Dustin May. No Gobert. There's Jansen. Nolan Ryan. Garrett Stubbs rookie. Power Zone Glaber. Uris and Willie Mays. So maybe those bigger rookies are short branded, not necessarily Dustin May, but Kevin Ginkel rookie. Jeff McNeil. David Bednar rookie. Pujols refractor. That looks good. John Lester and Zoot rookie. Last pack. If I'm going to get one of those bigger rookies, now's the time. Give it to me. Brosseau rookie. Garrett Cole. Goldschmidt. Beam Team Chris Bryant. Villar turned backwards, I don't know why. And McCullers Jr. So, yeah, let's talk about this for a minute. There's a lot of cards, which is great. Obviously, you know, at these prices today, you want to open a full box of cards. Especially at this, like I said, it's a little bit more expensive than the average baseball box right now. The price may have come down now that it's hit the market. I pre-ordered, but anyways. Yeah, not a single really big name rookie. Obviously, some of these rookies that are in here could pop off, but we don't know. So that's something. Obviously, your luck is going to be different than mine. My autograph, I'd rather have him than an unknown rookie for sure, and it was numbered. The refractors look good. The insert, everything looks good. I don't know if the value's there though. I mean, if you're opening this hoping to recoup your money, like I often do, since I put my money back into more boxes, it's something you got to think about. I don't see any way of this box in particular even coming anywhere near that. So I don't know. The cards are great. I love Chrome, but I don't know. I got to think about it. I got to sit and process it. I got to stew on this. Everybody let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know. Like it, love it, hate it, no way I'm touching this. However you feel, I'd be interested to read. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. I love you guys, and I got all kinds of goodies coming up, so stay tuned. Bye.